So the first video I'm sending you today is on example 6 for 7-4, adding and subtracting expressions with like radicands. Okay, so here are two examples which you can read yourself. I'm actually going to do this one, okay, 6a. So let's come over here. Okay, so when you're adding these expressions that have radicals in there, okay, you look to see if they are the same, if they have the same radicand. And since they do, all you have to do is add their coefficients, if you will. Okay, so you just add the 3 and the -5 and the 4 together. So 3 minus 5 is -2. -2 plus 4 is going to give you +2. So just 2, and then your radical 2. So the radical 2 kind of acts like an x. And that's your answer. Okay, next question. Here we have 4 terms. This term has a radical 3. This term has a radical 5. So we cannot combine these two. However, there is another term here that has a radical 3. So you can combine this term with this term because they have the same radicand. 15 minus 11 is 4. And then you just write down the radical 3. And then you combine the other two terms which have the same radicand, -14 with 6, which will give you a -8. And then you write down the radical 5, and that's your answer. Okay. All right, and then finally, this problem. This is from your homework number 19. Okay. So you have a radical 7 minus 6 radical 7. These two are the same radicand. There's no number in front of this, but we all know when there isn't anything, there really is. It's a invisible 1. So this is really 1 of these minus 6 of these. So that gives you -5, okay, because it's 1 minus 6. And then radical 7. And that's your answer.